I'm supporting Senate President Escudero.
Same
I
with
think
Sen. Pia.
maganda ang takbo nung itong last year. Walang perfect kasi na majority, walang perfect na senador, Senate President. But pagka nakita mong may energy, may vision, may prinsipyo, di ba?
He goes
But
with Sen.
kung-
Pia po.
I think so, yeah. But kung today ang election or tomorrow, panalo na si Senate President Escudero.
So,
Having said that, mahaba pa. Ano pa eh, fourth week of July.
Sir, so kung ngayon yung election, may numbers na si SPG?
Kung today,
Talaga.
Pero sir, mag-election pa ba sa 20th Congress? Kailan pa ba mag-election?
theoretically election. But depende yan kung, naalala mo kay Senate President Enrile, di ba, na halos lahat. Ako lang nag-minority leader lang. So usually naman bago dumating doon tapos na. I'm just saying na with almost 4 weeks to go, anything can happen. But kung today ang election, he has more than 13. Kung today ang election.
More than 13.